At Thales Academy, cleaning is a great way to help and be a part and contribute to your school community.
Begin by pushing the desks into a neat row. Place one chair on top of each desk. Pick up any trash from the floor. Wipe up any small spills, food, or sticky spots with a damp paper towel. After each damp paper towel wipe, use a dry paper towel to dry the damp spot. Throw the used paper towels away in the trash can when you are finished. Once the floor is clear, get out the broom and begin sweeping around the four sides of the room. Be careful not to knock the chairs as you work. Move across the middle of the room in a line as you sweep, moving back and forth so no areas are missed. Use the dustpan to collect the dirt and trash you sweep up. Empty the dustpan into the trash can slowly to avoid creating dust. Carefully remove the full bag of trash from the trash can without tearing the bag and tie it closed. This prevents unexpected spills. Get a clean trash bag from the bottom of the trash can and open it and line the trash can with it. Then, put the top back on the trash can. When taking the bags outside, one student should hold the door open for the other to pass through to make sure no one is locked out. Place the tied trash bags on the sidewalk outside of the door nearest to the dumpster, off to the side and not in the path so no one trips over them. Leave the bags off to the side and the Thales Academy adult team members will move the bags to the dumpster later. Ensure any leaks from the trash bag left on the floor are cleaned with a damp paper towel, followed by a dry paper towel to dry up any damp spots. Throw away the used paper towels in the trash can. Wipe the dustpan with a damp paper towel and clean any dust off the bottom of the broom bristles. Throw away any removed dust and then the used paper towel in the trash can. Return the broom and dustpan to the closet and admire how much better the room will feel to anyone who enters thanks to your cleaning efforts.
Keeping our building clean is a shared responsibility. Thank you all for that contribution in making it a great learning environment.